Hi, I'm Natalie Gulbis. I play on the LPGA Tour, but what I'm really passionate about is the Boys and Girls Club. I opened up my own Boys and Girls Club in 2010 right here in Las Vegas, and I'm really excited to show everybody what my friends at ForeverLawn made, a playground and a putting green right here in Las Vegas for the kids. My passion for the Boys and Girls Club started when I was a kid going to the clubs. My dad is in law enforcement and was a huge believer and supporter in getting kids into the Boys and Girls Club, what the Boys and Girls Club could do in the community, and now fast forward 20 years, my involvement with the Boys and Girls Club has only grown, and my passion for the kids in the club. So right here in Las Vegas, where I've lived for the last almost 20 years, I was able to help open up a club and also be able to support the clubs in Southern Nevada through golf events, through fundraisers, and just through a national partnership with the Boys and Girls Clubs of America. It's an incredible organization where they open up clubs just like this and provide a safe place for kids to go after school. So what we've used here is the playground grass, and what's great about the playground grass is it's really low maintenance, especially here in Nevada and in the desert where you don't have a lot of resources. It's easy to maintain. It always looks amazing just like this, and it's a great example of something that you can put in clubs that gives kids the safe place to play that is right on the grass, and it's not just in the dirt or the rocks, and it's so beautiful and easy to maintain, especially when you have limited resources. Especially here in Las Vegas, being that it's in the desert, water scarcity is a huge issue, and this is a great eco-friendly way to create a grass and a playground environment for the kids to come out and play on. One of the things that I like and appreciate about the playground grass is it's accessible and inclusive for all the kids. As you can see, there's even a ramp coming up there so everybody can enjoy it. ForeverLawn playground grass is a parent's dream because there's no grass stains, no mud stains on kids' clothes, and less laundry and stains to get out later. The quality of the ForeverLawn playground grass is so high, I would recommend it to playgrounds, schools, Boys and Girls Club, charitable organizations that want to have a great, safe place that's clean for kids to play, or even in your backyard or a community center. I mean, there's so many different options, so you definitely have to check out ForeverLawn because the quality is the best. My favorite part about my partnership with ForeverLawn is that they care about giving back. This was an example of a putting green that was going to be in my yard, and when we had a bigger idea and a vision to create a green and a play area for the kids at the Boys and Girls Club, they jumped right in and were so generous. And it's companies like ForeverLawn that make you excited to work with them, and also because they want to give back and they want to do things for the kids. Not only are they great people there at ForeverLawn and have an incredible product, but it's an honor to be associated with them. Playground grass, this is what your kids were meant to play on. For more information, visit playgroundgrass.com today.